Hey everyone, hope everybody's doing good. This is just a quick video, another day of free logs. So I just thought I'd post actually unloading them. I don't know, I kind of enjoy watching that footage. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks. All right, another awesome day of free logs. So that was 3 trips. I didn't count them, but there's probably about 12 to 15 logs there, ranging from 16 all the way up to 24 inches. The second to last one there, that's about all the tractor could handle. So thankfully I got it off, but it's well over 12 feet long, close to 14. So it's probably 3,000 pounds. It's basswood or linden trees. I use that stuff for everything. In fact, it's pretty good stuff for outside as long as it's not touching the ground and saturated. You just treat it. It lasts quite a while. So at least from my experience. So yeah, and just another good day of free trees. And the guy said that they're bringing down 2 more trees tomorrow. One's a silver maple, and another's a huge black locust. So I might drive in and see what they look like and stuff, but I'm not sure. I'm not really interested in the silver maple. We'll see how straight it is, but yeah, maybe I'll get that black locust. I can always just drag it off or use the excavator to take it off. But I got to be able to fit it on my mill, and I can only go up to 30 inches wide. So we'll see what how tomorrow goes. And if there's anything worth filming, I'll film it. If you guys like this sort of stuff, let me know. Just give me a thumbs up. I like it. I can't wait to start milling that stuff, but I'll wait a year or so. That linden dries out pretty fast, so I could always mill it up now and stack it, sticker it and stack it, but I got plenty of other side projects to do. So it's good to have a stash of logs for my type of hobbies. I'm always building and creating stuff out of wood. So anyways, like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.